Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, but it can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers. There are many affiliate marketing courses available, but how do you know if one is worth the investment? Before we jump into it, I do want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online with affiliate marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me to generate income online through affiliate marketing. So if you want to check it out, I'll drop a link in the description below this video. Here are a few things to consider when deciding if an affiliate marketing course is worth the investment. #1, does the course offer comprehensive training? You want to make sure that the course you choose offers comprehensive training on everything from choosing a niche to promoting products. A good affiliate marketing course will cover all the basics and then some, so that you can hit the ground running and start making money as soon as possible. #2, is the instructor experienced and successful? The instructor's experience and success are important factors to consider when choosing an affiliate marketing course, of course. You'll want to learn from someone who has actually made money with affiliate marketing so that you can be sure that the strategies taught in the course actually work. #3, does the course come with any bonuses or any extras? Some courses include bonus materials such as templates or ebooks, which can be extremely helpful when starting out with affiliate marketing. These extras can often make a big difference in your success, so they're definitely worth considering when making your decision. #4 is, what is the price of the course? Big question, right? Well, of course, you'll want to consider the price of the course when deciding if it's worth the investment. But in general, you'll get what you pay for when it comes to affiliate marketing courses. However, that doesn't mean that you should automatically choose the most expensive course. Instead, look for one that offers good value for the money. #5, is there a money-back guarantee? A money-back guarantee is always a good sign, as it shows that the course provider is confident in their product. This means that if you're not happy with the course for any reason, you could simply get your money back, no questions asked. #6, what do other people say about the course? Before making your final decision, it's always a good idea to start checking out what other people are saying about the course and see if it's worth your consideration based on what they say. Read reviews from past students to get an idea of what to expect and whether or not they felt like it was worth the investment. When it comes to choosing an affiliate marketing course, there is a lot to consider. However, if you keep the above factors in mind, you'll be able to make a good decision that's right for you. Now, if you really want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income, then I want you to check out the link in the description below this video for my #1 recommendation for getting into the affiliate marketing business. It'll give you the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing. It'll give you the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link below this video in the description. There's no pressure, totally up to you. Take care.